Eva trades.
Good morning. It's Tuesday, and hope you had a great weekend. Mine was pretty awesome. My throat's a little sore this morning. I have to apologize. I had a little too much fun over the weekend. A little bit of karaoke, kind of sang a little too much, I think. So this morning I'm watching AI. We have 15 seconds till the market opens here. So I'm watching AI beat TIO, Top, Acon, and IMMX. 6 stocks I got an eye on here. So we're a little bit spread out. The market's open now. Here's a look at the other 3 tickers that I'm watching. Oh, yes, okay. Tried to jump into AI there, but my stop loss was too tight. As it's coming down to that support, so now my stop loss is a little more manageable. I think I'll go ahead and sell half of that. Okay. It's not selling, so and it appears the platform is frozen. I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay. Platform is completely frozen. If I hit flatten, it shows me this. Okay, I am recording. Yeah, what's going on with this? Okay, so it's not frozen anymore. Okay, there it let me sell. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten that though, because that's really weird. I am in a trade over here now. I don't know what happened there. That was really strange. So I bought off of the support here of $1.40 and the volume weighted average price. So I'm trying it again over here on AI. Hopefully it doesn't mess me up again like it did there the last time. I'm going to go ahead and sell it. Okay, so that's sold. Yeah, that was really bizarre. I mean, beat. Beat coming up against $3. There's a break through it. Let's see if we get a little more follow through than that. Have my stop loss in down there. Over here on Acon, I'm going to sell half. And then I'll put my stop at the low of day of $1.38, $1.37. Back over here to beat. I'm long AI. Nice move on AI. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it all there. Over here on ACON, making its little move here. Just going to get out of it right there. All out now on ACON. And stopped out on beat. Bought a Acon off of that support of $1.36. I'm going to get back out of it. It doesn't look like it's going to bounce for me there, so back out. TOP making a move. I'm looking for a move up to the high of 1175. Go ahead and sell half there. And I'll put my stop loss in down here at 1099, 1097. Let's take a look at AI. I sold half of my position on AI, holding the rest. 36.58 is where my stop is going to go on that. Right down there. Let's get rid of some of these lines. Pulling back quite a ways there. Our high of day is 37.79. I have to apologize. The live stream is all messed up again. It's the second day in a row that's happened. I'm going to go ahead and flatten that position there on AI. And over here on TOP, I'm going to flatten it right there as we come up against $12. And look at BEAT over here. So a few problems early on there. I don't know what happened on AI. For some reason, it wouldn't let me sell. And I ended up taking a bigger loss than I wanted to. But luckily for me, I was able to make a comeback on it. AI is a little tricky. It really bounces around. You see how much it's whipping. I think TOP was a weird one this morning too. Anyways. Oops. Oh, no. We're good. Okay, so I'm all out of everything. I'm not holding anything right now. Just kind of watching BEAT. I'm going to buy the dip right there at $3. Selling half. see if we can get up over 310 on BEAT. I'm going to go ahead and sell it there. And just like that, I'm at my daily goal. And I think that's probably where I'm going to stop for the day. I think there's more potential here. And I'm doing pretty good, but I probably could keep trading. But look at TOP over here pulling back. A good place to buy would maybe be down here at 1150. This could be the actual low of the pullback, and then we see a higher move. I don't know. But I have a very sore throat, and my live stream has died. I had technical issues. It has been a rough morning, I have to say. And I think that, over here on TOP, so a good level to buy off of is 1133 right there. And I could, but I'm done trading. I'm not really feeling it anymore. Okay, there's a breakdown through the volume weighted average price. Buying off of that support, but knowing that you have the volume weighted average price, you have the EMA, you also have this one down here, and we also have the low of day. So there are plenty of places to bounce from. You just never know who's going to be buying where and how many shares they're going to be buying, and will it be enough to make the stock bounce? Yeah, boy, this is nice. Nice price action today. I mean, as far as we have some things moving. So if I was going to take another trade on AI, I'd be looking for a dip buy opportunity on it. Volume is nice here. We're coming up towards $39. And there's that breakthrough 39. Now you could buy a dip back to 39. Like that. I tried to buy the dip there. Let's see. I'm going to just flatten it just for a really quick profit. And didn't make a lot on that. Up 132 now on the day. I wouldn't be surprised if AI went and got halted here. You can see TOP over here. We did pull back below the volume weighted average price down to that EMA, and we bounced off of that. Looking good for a move higher. Looking for a higher low on the 1 minute time frame. So we have a new support down here at 1102. 5 minute inside bar. So we could have an equilibrium in the making here. You have a high, low. Could this be a lower high? Then we pull back, get a higher low, and then we break out. And look at AI coming up to $40 now. BEAT, nice pullback to the EMA. That would have been a good trade. You jump in here on the EMA. 5 minute inside bar. Bear flag on TIO. I haven't even traded TIO. Yeah, I'm not really interested in it. AI just going parabolic here. Insanity. There's a big pullback. Could have jumped on that. So beat. That dip buy opportunity on beat. Oh, look at that. If I was still trading, I definitely would have bought that. Let's look at TOP. So top here. We do have that equilibrium now. The high, low, lower, high. You have a little possible higher low, but we need to turn around and break over 1180 for this to be a higher low. We need to hold 1102. And sometimes we can break that previous support of 1102. It'll break a little bit and then turn around and bounce. Just because not only is this a support, it's also a target for bears who got in. They're selling. They're going to be exiting their positions here as a target. Now that's a pretty big pullback. So I don't know that we bounce from there. I'm not sure now because the whole equilibrium setup is now out the door. We have a lower high, lower low on the 1 minute now. But we did break that support, and we'll see if the bulls buy the dip and if we bounce from there. But odds favor the bears in a moment like that. So on that dip buy that I would have taken on beat had I still been trading, maybe I'd be profitable on it right now. I don't know. And look at, okay, so now I'd be interested in TIO, jumping in here for a move up to the volume weighted average price. And there goes beat. If we lose 265, I don't think we really have another support until all the way down here at 228. We have a psychological 250. TOP just got halted going down. So that's no fun. Unless you're a bear, of course. But let's see if TIO will hit the volume weighted average price, or $4. We might reject from 4. So there we go. You know, if I'd gotten in down here, I would have definitely been taking profit right there. And then, you know, if I'd gotten in here on beat, like I said I would have, you know, we'll see if we get a little bounce back up towards the volume weighted average price. We have an EMA crossover to the bears starting to happen, but we are down at that support level. So we'll see how many people are buying in that area. Consolidating, healthy consolidation on AI, 5-minute inside bar. Oh, there's a break through the volume weighted average price. So TO becoming somewhat interesting. Got to get over that high of day, which is right here, 411. And now we do have a level down here to be watching. If we pull back, that could be a place to buy from. So far, bulls buying the dip here on beat off of this support level. So we're holding 265 at the moment. On the scanners today, we have quite a few stocks: Riot, Mara, SOUN, AI. I don't know, CVNA. I was curious about CVNA. Did it ever do anything? Oh, it kind of did. And there's Mara's popping up in the scan. Riot. So cryptocurrency must be doing pretty good today. SOUN. Let's look at SPY. SPY's pulling back. I've got this wedge drawn. We have a rising wedge. And 4-hour time frame for consolidating. Yep, that's healthy consolidation. We're due for 4-hour consolidation. 15-minute downtrend. So I'll be looking for that 15-minute trend change. SOUN looking like it's going to break out here. And look at TIO breaking through that daily level. Definitely more interesting now. We have a resistance up at 426. You notice how we broke through the daily, or through that high of day level, and then we back tested it. That would have been the entry there, that back test. Beat still finding support down here at 265. AI, we're looking for that 1 minute higher low. It's a 5-minute inside bar. I would love to see an equilibrium here first before we break out. I want to see a little consolidation before the break, but that doesn't mean we have to get it. It's just, if we don't consolidate first and we just break straight through, sometimes that could lead to a failure and a steeper pullback. It's just a little riskier getting in if you don't have that consolidation first. I'm just doing a little technical analysis here before I scoot on out. I got to go do a trade review, so I suppose I should get out of here. Yeah, that's too bad the live stream is still not working. I don't know what happened there. I think I had a momentary hiccup with the internet. Thinkorswim actually froze up on my computer over here to the left, but the one on the right kept going. So it showed that I had internet, but my live stream stopped at the same time. So I don't really know what that was all about. So we did break straight through on AI. We consolidated a little bit here, had a little sideways consolidation before breaking through. I would have preferred to see a little higher low, but that's okay. Still consolidation. Okay, well, I think that's going to do it for me. So I'm up $132. I will be putting out a trade review here in the next half an hour. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time right here at Eva Trades. Bye-bye.